Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make files available offline using OneDrive application. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already downloaded and installed the application in my mobile device. Do note that I have also already logged in. In case you have not done any of those, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to make some files available offline for OneDrive. Let's say I want to make this file right here available offline. Well, here's how you can do it. At the right corner of this file, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it. Then from here, something like this will open up. It's gonna give you lots and lots of options. But what you guys have to do is simply scroll right over. Just below this comment, you will see something like Make Available Offline. Simply toggle on this button at its right corresponding to it. And guys, that's it. Enabling this button will ensure that your file is available offline. And guys, that's it. That's how we make files available offline in OneDrive application. It is quite easy. Now even if you don't have the internet, you can access this file offline. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.